In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a cell issue in Smartsheet. If you've opened a sheet and noticed that one cell is showing the wrong information, not displaying the format you expect, or pulling in something unexpected, don't worry. The good news is that most cell issues in Smartsheet are simple to identify and correct once you know what to look for. Start by opening the Smartsheet sheet where the problem is happening. Make sure you're in the correct sheet before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple files with similar names. Once the sheet is open, locate the specific cell that needs to be fixed and click on it to select it. After selecting the cell, take a close look at what might be causing the issue. In many cases, the problem comes from one of four things: a formula, a link, an incorrect value, or a formatting problem. For example, the cell may be calculating something incorrectly because of a formula. It may be pulling data from another location through a link. It may simply contain the wrong text or number, or it may be formatted in a way that makes the value appear incorrect. If the content itself is wrong, you can edit the cell directly. Click into the cell and update the text, number, or other value as needed. Be careful to enter exactly what should appear there, and take a second to confirm that the update matches the rest of your sheet. If the issue is being caused by a formula or a link, remove it or correct it so the cell behaves properly. This step is especially important if the cell is displaying unexpected data or if it keeps changing automatically. Before replacing a formula or link, it's a good idea to confirm that the cell is actually supposed to contain one. If not, clearing it and entering the correct value manually may be the best fix. If the issue is related to formatting, review how the cell is displayed. Sometimes the data is technically correct, but the format makes it look wrong or confusing. Adjusting the content and checking the presentation together can help prevent mistakes. Once you've made the necessary correction, save the sheet. This ensures your update is applied and preserved. Finally, review the cell one more time to confirm that it now shows the correct information. If everything looks right, then the issue has been resolved and your sheet is ready to use.